Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm recovering from bronchitis currently, and I went on a spending spree while I was stuck in bed for a week. I bought this lash lift kit. It's because I wanted to try out brow lamination. It is a type of perm for your brow. A perm kit for your eyelashes would also work for your brows. Inside of this kit is this stuff, apparently. The kit's a little smaller than I expected, but should still get the job done. I've also prepared eyelash adhesive, a variety of mascara wands, some cotton pads. So I just wet the cotton pad with water. Alright, that's good enough for me. First, you need to glue your eyebrow hairs up in the direction that you want them to be. So, is this thing still okay? I don't know, I haven't used fake eyelashes in almost a decade at this point, so I don't know how old this eyelash glue is, but it's still wet. It's not all dried up, so that's good. I don't really do much to my eyebrows. I kind of just like let them be. Okay, I'm actually kind of nervous about this, but let's just go for it. It's just eyebrows. There was an eyelash glue that came in the kit, but all the reviews said that it sucked. I want to look like Bowser after this. I feel like this mascara wand has too many gaps in it. It's missing some eyebrow hairs. But to be honest, I feel like this mascara wand isn't doing a great job. I'm gonna try using their clean tool. I'm gonna try mixing it up with their glue that came in the kit, because I feel like the other one that I'm using dries a bit quickly. It stinks. My review on their lashes glue, it's not bad. I don't know why everyone be complaining about it. Okay, I'm kind of digging this look right now. Yeah. I have never seen my eyebrows glued like this before. But I ain't mad at it. Tell you what. So I got the plastic wrap, and now I am going to put on the perm solution. Oh, that's stanky. Oh! It smells like farts. So apparently you're not supposed to wet your fresh perm for 24 hours. That's just kind of weird to me that you gotta keep the chemical on for that long. I mean, they're not the same, but it's fine. Alright, so now I gotta cover it with plastic wrap for 10 minutes. Oh yeah. I feel like an alien in Star Trek. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm just wiping off the same plastic film because we ain't gotta double the plastic up in here. This one doesn't smell that bad. I don't know what fixation is, but it's what I'm applying to my eyebrows right now. Another 10 minutes. Ooh. Alright, here goes. The next step is apply nutrition solution number 3 to nourish the area. It is time to nourish. It looks like it's just like oil or something. My eyebrows are feeling a little itchy. Ooh, I see redness on my skin on the camera, but not in real life. And then immediately after it says use cleanser solution to clean off the perm residue. So why did I nourish before I'm gonna clean it off? It doesn't make any sense. But I don't make the rules. Well, what do you think? How do I look? I feel like $1,000,000. Do I look like Bowser? Tell me I do anyway in the comments below. I'm liking the look. I feel like a wild child. I'm not gonna trim my eyebrow hairs or anything, but I might shape them up a little bit. I don't know, I kind of like it. I kind of love it. I'll be doing I'll be doing a follow-up video so that you can see how my eyebrows are holding up, because I've got very stubborn hair. It doesn't really do what I tell it to, so I will let you know how it stays. Let me know if you try this. I'm gonna leave an Amazon affiliate link down below if this video helped you at all. Try to buy it from the link that I provide. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I will check in with you later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Come on, focus. Focus.